Hi everyone, and welcome to Decode Graphics Studio. In today's video, I was starting to do a script for this architectural project, and it's a Shigeru Ban. He is a Japanese architect, and this is a structure that he created. Now, this was inspired basically from a project I did when I was back in school, and I did make a mistake where I didn't record the whole process, but I did record the beginning and kind of the end of it. So I'll make sure to add a script so you can play around with it if you want to download it. And if you do want to see all the steps, make sure you let me know in the comments below so I can know if you're interested in me doing like a longer one where I go through all the steps. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you wanted to check out some more in-depth tutorials, I have a Udemy and a Skillshare website where I have, I go over the steps in a little bit more detail, and they do take a little bit more time and you do have to sign up, but I do recommend it. If you like the content, make sure to like the video, and if you want to see videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.